We at OLS, we are focusing on cell research. So we would like to be the partner for our customers in cell research. And we are based in Bremen, Germany. It's a family-owned company. And OLS Omni Life Science exists since 2004 already. But since a few years, we have found the niche in cell research. And on one hand, we manufacture our own products, our own instrumentation, like the KC cell content analyzer that we distribute globally, as well as the 3D incubator and bioreactor that we also manufacture ourselves and distribute globally. And we work together with IDEA Biomedical to find very interesting companies to image what we basically culture in our zero. We culture our product starting from cells into spheroids, organoids. We culture stem cells, even tissue pieces. And we believe that the Harem system is a very, very innovative and fast tool to do, let's say, the next level of high content imaging in the market.
IDEA Biomedical is an Israeli company. We specialize in automated imaging and automated analysis for the cell biology field. We launched our flagship product, the Harem Scan, about 10 years ago. Our market is really researchers doing cell biology within academia, but also drug discovery companies doing compound screening and biotech and pharma companies. So the Harem System is basically a platform for the researcher. Anyone who's doing life science research and wants to see, to visualize and to quantitate whatever is happening within the cell culture, in the cellular level. So the system is capable of really scanning multi-well plates, slides, etc. in multiple fluorescence channels and bright field channels, and then automatically analyze all these images and extract quantitative, meaningful information from those samples. So that can be applied for instance, cancer research, virology, immunology, you name it, anything cell biology, our system basically supports. So I think there's a really good match between IDEA Bio and OLS, just because they're also innovative like us. They're not just, buying and selling. They're really developing and manufacturing their own products. And there's also a good complementary between the areas within life science, within cell biology that OLS offer, and we complement in the aspect of the sample preparation and culturing, and we cover the imaging and analysis. And together, this is a complete workflow really supporting this market. We're really excited about several new features that we just launched into the Harem imaging system. One of them being in the zebrafish area, which is really a full solution for zebrafish screening in high content automated fashion, covering the image acquisition and also the analysis. The analysis is very unique in the aspect that it's a deep learning AI-based analysis, and it really segments all the compartments within the fish along with the fish outline on a bright field, non-labeled manner. And it's really covering a very broad range of research dealing with zebrafish, which is now an emerging model for cell biology. And another really exciting feature is really an automated oil immersion module that we recently launched. So basically it allows fully automated screening of multi-well plates with oil without no user intervention, fully automated. You don't need to work around with the oil anymore, and you get really the high resolution and the brighter contrast with lower, shorter time gaps. So it's really unique and we're really excited about it. It increases the throughput in the way that they don't need to do anything, it's all done automatically. Terabytes of data is being analyzed, quantified, documented, and they just need to do basically to load the images to the software, and everything is done automatically and unbiasedly, which is also important when doing analysis. It's not a human segmenting, it's a machine that gives you the real picture of what's going on in your sample.
Yeah, so all the great research that IDEA Bio has done in the past years to develop this AI-driven instrumentation for high content screening in the zebrafish will now be used for the customers from OLS Omni Life Sciences in the area of cell research, cell biology, 3D cell culture, to do all these great analysis on 3D structures. So it's a perfect marriage between OLS Omni Life Science that develops the culture system for many of these cell structures that then can be analyzed by the great instrument from IDEA Biomedical.
A match made in heaven.
OLS/bio.de or
ideabio.com.